Ben Goldman here, Eastern Title and Settlement. Just going to give you a quick update on what's going on here with the COVID-19 pandemic regarding the title industry and real estate. As you may be aware, the state of Maryland is opening back up. We are still physically distancing, wearing masks, wearing gloves, practicing all of those safe techniques that we have been doing, which we will continue to do. One little thing I did want to point out to you, though, is that there are a lot of local title companies who people like me who do settlements for them just don't want to go out there and do it, so they're going through some third-party signing agencies, which is fine, except that you never know when you go through a third-party signing agency who's going to show up to do your settlement and what level of professionalism they're going to have attained. So if you want to work with a professional company that have professionals like me doing your settlements, feel free to give me a call, 301-980-3717, or shoot me an email, ben@easterntitle.com. Looking forward to hear from all of you soon. Stay safe out there. Bye now.